Hello everyone, this is SST of Standard 4th and we are going to check out the exercise of chapter number 10, Our Forest Wealth. It's exercise. Let's start the exercise. Oral questions. Name two parks that are also tiger reserves. Answer of oral question. Ranthambore and Jim Corbett National Park are the two parks that are also tiger reserves. Taste yourself. Tick the correct answers first. What is the other name given to deciduous forest? Answer is B. Monsoon forests. Second number. Name the animals found in northern eastern area. Northern east area, India. Second number. Name the animals found in northeast India. Answer is A. Elephants, hippos, rhinos, and deers. A number MCQs. First number. How are forests useful to us? Answer is D. All of above. All of the above. Second number. What kind of forests are found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer is A. Dense evergreen forests. B number. Where are the following found? A number. First number. Mahogany, rosewood and ebony. Answer is evergreen forests. Answer is evergreen forests. Second number. Babul and kikar. Answer is thorn forests. Answer is thorn forests. Third number. Teak, sal and sesame. Answer is deciduous forest. Answer is deciduous forests. Fourth number. Sundarai tree. Answer is tidal forests. Fifth number. Cheer, deodar, fir and pine. Answer is mountain forests. Answer is mountain forests. C number. Write short answers. First, how are forests useful to us? First number answer. Forests are useful to us as they give us plants, food items, wood, etc. They also provide shelter to animals and purify the air. Second number. What are soft and hardwood used for? Second number answer. Softwood is used to make things like paper and matchsticks, whereas hardwood are used for constructing buildings, furnitures and tools. Third number. What is the program for every child a tree about? The government has started some program to encourage forest conservation. One such programs for every child a tree was started, in which children are encouraged to plant trees and even care for them. Fourth number. How much area of our country is under forest cover? Answer of fourth number. Only 1/5 of India's total area is covered with forests. D number. Answer the following questions. First, write a short note on a deciduous forests. First number answer. Deciduous forests are popularly called monsoon forests. They are found at the foothills of the Himalayas, Sahyadris, and northeastern part of the Indian peninsula. These forests covered the maximum part of our country. Unlike the evergreen forests, the trees of these forests shed their leaves once a year. Teak, sal, sisam, sandalwood, mahua, simul, and bamboo are the main trees found in these forests. Second number, what is the unique feature of coniferous forest? Second number answer, coniferous forests are also called mountain forests. They are found in the Himalayan region. Cheer, deodar, fir, chestnut, cedar, pine, and spruce are the trees found in these forests. These trees are tall and have pointed, sharp, needle-shaped leaves. Therefore, the snow does not gather on the trees. Wood of these trees is used to make paper. Third number, what can we do to save trees and support afforestation? Answer, we must come together to protest against the cutting down of trees. The government has started programs such as social forestry movements and Van Mahotsav to encourage forest conservation. Okay dear students, this much only we have to write down. I have cut some portion. We must come together to protest against the cutting down of the trees. The government has started programs such as social forestry movements and Van Mahotsavs to encourage forest conservation. Fourth number, briefly discuss the Chipko Andolan. Okay dear students, fourth number answer, as I have ticked, some portion I have cut. In 1970s, a group of women in Uttarakhand started this movement. They prevented cutting down of trees by hugging them. Sundarlal Bahuguna headed this movement. Fifth number, what steps has the government taken to protect wildlife? Fifth number answer, the government of India has started programs such as social forestry movements and Van Mahotsav to protect wildlife. Apart from this, the government is also involving local and tribal people in conservation of forests. E number, hot question. First, why are the roots of the trees in thorny forests long? Dear students, this hot question and value corner, there is no need to write down. Only for your understanding we have done, okay? In the exercise, there is no need to write down E number and value based corner, okay? Let's see the answer. Thorn forests grow in areas that receive very less rainfall. They grown in the desert regions of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana. These forests have trees with long roots that go deep into the soil, thick barks sharp thorns and or modified leaves and small leaves which in return prevent water loss from the surface. These plants and trees can survive without water for long duration. F number, value corner. Trees help you. Trees help us in many ways, but people keep cutting forests for various reasons. How can we balance the number of trees people cut? Discuss about planting trees. Forests are useful to us in several ways, but the non-stop utilization of the forest has reduced the forest cover significantly. To balance the number of trees cut, we should encourage everyone to plant trees and take care of them. Okay, till here only there is necessary. There is need. Okay, till here. So dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. Please write down this exercise in your notebook as a homework. Okay, and one more thing, E and value corner, there is no need to write down. It is for your understanding only. Okay, thank you.